Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with another quick how-to video. What we got here today is a Harley Bike, how to install pegs. Pretty simple process. All you need is about 3 tools, a Torx and a hex. T40 would be the first one for the first bolt. It only has 2. This one goes to the shifter, and you need a 5/16 to remove the inner bolts. Now the part that you're about to remove, that part you do not need to reinstall back. With your kit that you bought for the pegs, that's all you need for this side. This would be the right side of the bike. This one has 3 bolts. It does come with bolts, but you could also use the same ones that you unscrewed, the original bolts. Now for the left side, it's only 2 bolts, and you only need the 5/16 bit to remove it. Pretty simple process. Shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes to complete for this bike. For some other bikes it's more complicated, but for this one it's pretty simple. Just unbolting and bolting back on. Like I say, you only need like 3-4 tools. You will need some pliers for the peg, because the peg has I'll show you right now. Bam, bam, bam. Boom. These are just 3 parts for the peg to attach it. It does not screw on. It just has a bolt. It doesn't screw on. So it's number 4, 5, and 3. The 3 is a little pin that's gonna attach that bolt-looking thing to it, so it doesn't come off. For those ones, you do need some needle pliers. It is gonna be that will be a little bit difficult part of it for the installation. But anyways, the spring, if you attach it together, this is how I did it. Pushed it in together, and it was a lot easier than trying to put one part at a time. But if you would do it like this, it's a lot easier to put it in. That's what she said. Anyways, yep, and then the bolt goes right there. Once it's all lined up properly, you're gonna hear the click from the clip, like I said. Click. And once it's in there, it should be nice and tight. A pretty simple process, guys. But anyways, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.